Welcome to Kids Knowledge Hub. Mason Blake is speaking today in a fun English learning story about a phone call situation. Today is a normal day. I am at home. I have my phone in my hand. I want to call my friend, but I feel a little nervous. I want to speak English on the phone, but maybe my English is not perfect. I will try. I will learn step by step. I press the call button. Ring, ring, ring. I am ready now. The call is connected. I say, I am call you now. That sounds strange. I try again. I call you now. I am. No, not correct. I feel confused. Why my English sounds funny? I try again quickly. You are hear me? Still wrong. I stop for a second. I think I need to slow down. I need correct English. Okay, I learn now. Wrong sentence. I am call you now. Correct sentence. I am calling you now. Oh, that sounds better. I repeat slowly. I am calling you now. Good. Next wrong sentence. You are hear me? Correct sentence. Can you hear me? Oh, yes, that is simple and clear. I repeat. Can you hear me? Again? Can you hear me? Very good. Now, I practice like real phone talk. Wrong. I talk phone. No, not correct. Correct. I am talking on the phone. Repeat. I am talking on the phone. Good. Next. Wrong. You listen me? Correct. Are you listening to me? Repeat. Are you listening to me? Again. Are you listening to me? Perfect. Now I imagine real call again. Ring, ring. I answer. Wrong. Yes, yes, speak fast. Not polite. Correct. Hello. Can you speak slowly, please? Repeat. Hello. Can you speak slowly, please? Good. Next. Wrong. I no understand. Correct. I don't understand. Repeat. I don't understand. Again. I don't understand. Very good. Now, better sentence. I am learning English. Please speak slowly. Repeat. I am learning English. Please speak slowly. Nice. I continue phone talk. Wrong. You say again. Correct. Can you say that again? Repeat. Can you say that again? Good. Wrong. I hear bad. Correct. I cannot hear well. Repeat. I cannot hear well. Again. I cannot hear well. Nice improvement. Wrong. Phone not good. Correct. My phone is not working well today. Repeat. My phone is not working well today. Perfect. Now, I restart full phone call. Ring, ring. Hello. Wrong. I call you. No, fix it. Correct. I am calling you. Good. Now, next. Wrong. You hear me? Correct. Can you hear me? Repeat. Can you hear me? Good. Next. Wrong. I speak English bad. Correct. I am not speaking English well. Repeat. I am not speaking English well. Again. I am not speaking English well. Nice. Now I continue. I am learning English on the phone. Repeat. I am learning English on the phone. Very good. Correct. I am not speaking English well. Repeat. I am not speaking English well. Again. I am not speaking English well. Nice. Now I continue. I am learning English on the phone. Repeat. I am learning English on the phone. Very good. Now I feel better. At first, I was scared. Now I am learning. Wrong English is okay first, but correct English is better. I say, I am nervous. Correct. I am a little nervous. Repeat. I am a little nervous. Good. Now I feel stronger. I say, I can do it. Repeat. I can do it. Again. I can do it. Yes. Now I imagine real life again. I call my friend. Ring, ring. Hello. I say, hello. Can you hear me? Good start. Next. I am calling you now. Perfect. Next, I am learning English. Very good. Next, please speak slowly. Nice. Now, friend speaks. I say, I cannot understand. Can you say again? Good sentence. Repeat. I cannot understand. Can you say again? Again. I cannot understand. Can you say again? Now I practice all important phone sentences. I am calling you. Can you hear me? Please speak slowly. I don't understand. Can you say that again? I am learning English. Repeat all slowly. I am calling you. Can you hear me? Please speak slowly. I don't understand. Can you say that again? I am learning English. Very good. Now I test myself. Wrong. I call you now fast. Fix. I am calling you now. Good. Wrong. You listen me? Fix. Are you listening to me? Good. Wrong. I no hear you. Fix. I cannot hear you. Repeat. I cannot hear you. Again. I cannot hear you. Perfect. Let's review everything. Wrong. I am call you. Correct. I am calling you. Wrong. You hear me? Correct. Can you hear me? Wrong. I no understand. Correct. I don't understand. Wrong. Say again. Correct. Can you say that again? Now repeat all. I am calling you. Can you hear me? I don't understand. Can you say that again? I am learning English. Perfect! Today, I learned something very important. Phone English must be clear. Slow English is better. Polite English is best. Mistakes are okay. Learning is important. Now I feel confident. I can talk on the phone in English. I am happy. See you in the next English learning story.